Okay, so we're going to talk some more about voice and data network and troubleshooting and the whole overview. We're going to try to talk about some of the different components and what they're called. Let me first start by saying it's very important to know the names of the different components and devices and things that are on the network. It's very important to use the correct names, especially when you have to communicate with someone else, such as tech support or even a customer, or you have to use the right names for stuff. So yeah, lesson one, right? All right, so this is our 66 block here, over here. And as we said, if we have like a voice circuit coming in from our local access carrier and it terminates on the D mark, which could be a 66 block. So now we have to take that connection from our D mark over to our house wiring, right? So let's say this line is a fax. It's a fax line. Here's our fax machine here. So we have underground cabling. This line here represents, it could be fiber optics. The leg uses different forms of technology in order to bring the service inside. But basically, once it's here, we have an analog circuit with a dial tone terminated on our 66 block, which looks just like this, right? Okay, so we have it. Now, how do we get it from here to here? So we're gonna use what we call cross connect wiring. That's what this little thing here represents. And here's our cross connect. It looks like this. Let me put this thing down. Okay, so here it is. This is our cross connect wiring. This one happens to be white and brown. A common thing you'll see is white and blue, or white and orange, different colors. They all do the same thing. It's cross connect, and it has different colors. And we're going to go over color code in a later video. So uh, let's say we had to cross connect something. It would basically go on our 66 block. Let's do it on this one. Switch like this. And we use a punch down tool. So our punch down tool, this is our punch down tool, and this is our blade, our 66 blade. If you look closely, hopefully you could see that. You see that there's a sharp, a cutting edge that, and then there's a edge that doesn't cut. So we want to make sure that this part of the blade that cuts is connecting to the part of the wire that we want to be cut, which would be, if you look here, would be these pieces. I'll try to bring the camera closer. So the wire would connect. Sorry about the noise. I hope that wasn't too loud. So we're gonna connect it over here. Like that. This is how we would cut it. Hopefully you can see that.